Hello guys, welcome to Knowledge Beyond Expectation. In today's video, we'll discuss about the top programming languages in 2021. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. Each programming language has its pros and cons. A language may be good at some things while not doing so well at others. So it is a good practice to know several programming languages to work upon. But what are the top programming languages to learn? This question is asked by hundreds if not thousands of people new to programming. So today we have created a list of the top programming languages to learn in 2021. PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language designed especially for web development. It is also known as backend of website. It can run on all major operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix, etc. Top websites like Yahoo and CMS like WordPress are built on PHP. It is also integrated with a number of popular databases including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Sybase, Informix, and Microsoft SQL Server. PHP is losing its marketplace since 2019, but is still in demand. That is why it is on number 5 of this list. Kotlin. Kotlin is statically typed general-purpose programming language. It is used by some world-class IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA, PHP Storm, AppCode, etc. It was introduced in 2011 by JetBrains as a new language for Java Virtual Machine, but its popularity increased drastically in 2019 as Google and Android community started promoting Kotlin. Kotlin is object-oriented and better than Java, but still being interoperable with Java code. That is why it is in number 4th in this list. Java. Java is a common choice to develop Android apps. It is easily manageable and has a good level of security. The Java syntax is similar to C++, but is easier to learn than C and C++. Java is famous because of its platform independence. Its programs can run on multiple operating systems with ease. Java also has automatic memory management that allows programmers to concentrate on problem at hand rather than memory management. It is being used for desktop application development and back-end programming. Java's marketplace rose gradually over time and thus has gained it the third best language to learn in 2021 position in our list. Python. Python is a widely used general-purpose high-level programming language. It was designed with an emphasis on code readability, and its easy syntax allows programmers to express their concepts in fewer lines of code. That is why Python is considered the easiest and friendly programming language. Python, after beating Java, has become the most taught programming language in universities and academia. Python is also being used in artificial intelligence. Its increase in popularity during the last several years is astonishing. The best beginner course is Python for Everybody, offered by Coursera. Link for that is given in the description. JavaScript. It may be hard to believe, but the number one language in the market of programming languages in 2021 is JavaScript. Its syntax is based on C and Java languages. The arrival of great frameworks like jQuery, React, and the modern frameworks Vue.js plays a vital role in the popularity of JavaScript. It is often derided as being a toy, but beneath its layer of deceptive simplicity, it has some pretty powerful features. Along with front and back-end development, JavaScript is also used to develop mobile and desktop applications. It is now used by an incredible number of high-profile applications, showing that deeper knowledge of this technology is an important skill for any mobile or web developer. Link for specialization of this language is given in the description. Learning your first programming language may be hard, but once you get it, you can learn others easily in minimal time. The most important thing is to set your goals and then do your best to stick with it and achieve it. Get this video a huge thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos like these, subscribe to our channel. Please place a comment if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.